Hi everyone, how are you dears? Okay dears, this is Rana Sir. Welcome to our Rana Sir educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is area related to circles. So this topic I have already explained before, that is in previous classes. Now here first again I will explain its concept and also remaining concept, and then I will solve some numericals which are based on this topic. Okay student, so one additional suggestion I am going to tell you, you follow it positively, properly and safely. Now first of all you have to take one notebook and then one pen, and then you have to sit at your location properly and safely for writing all informations which are available on the blackboard. Okay, also you have to write those informations which are available, which are spoken by me. Okay student, so first of all positively I am going to explain its concept, and then I will solve the written question which are available on the blackboard, that is which is available on the blackboard. So this is the class 10 mathematics which is based on in English medium, and also I will say this is the NCERT pattern and this board will be CBSE board. Now further I have to explain, this is the chapter number 11 whose name is area related to circles. Okay student, from the chapter number so from the chapter number 1 to 10 already I have taught you. So if you have been missed any chapter, so you go in my YouTube channel, that is RANA SIR UP KUSHINAGAR, and you go in my video section and you will find all videos there already I have uploaded. And also you see in my live video section all chapters are available properly there, because first of all I have taught you a corresponding concept, and also I have solved some numericals which are based on those concepts. So all data are available there, and again I have also organized some data like class 10 physics and class 10 mathematics, and also class 10 physics and also class 10 mathematics already I have uploaded there. So you go there and positively properly and you learn very easy way. Okay, because this is the free online coaching classes and take its advantage more and more. Okay students, so first of all I will explain again the what is the concept of area related to circles. If any sector which is given, so how we will find the area of that sector. Now the area is the region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc, each called the sector of a circle. In other words, we can say that a region which is obtained by two radius of a circle, that is I will say radii of the circle, and the corresponding arc, that is known as sector of a circle. So area of the sector of a circle can be obtained by the formula, that is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Okay student, now I am going to explain it with figure, so each LEP student will know it clearly, because I have to solve one question which is based on this topic, so this concept you have to know clearly. Okay, so here I am going to say this is the center of the circle, so I will take to find on the circumference of the circle. I will say one point is A, whose name is A, and other point I will take on the periphery of the circle. I will say that point is B. Now I will draw these two lines, so that line that will be the chord of the circle, so that can be written as, that can be written as. So this portion I will say area of the segment. So this area of the segment I have to get, but first of all we have to get the area of the sector, that will be A X Y B O A X B O A. This will be the area of the sector, but here I will say A X B A, that will be the area of the segment. So all concept I will get. Okay, for writing the information, first of all I will write area of the sector. So I will write area of the sector, that is the one concept, and that concept is very important. So each and every student has to write this formula. So area of the segment, which is equal to the area of the sector. Area of the sector of the circle, which is equal to, I will write, which is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into, I will write pi r square. So this is the formula for getting the area of any sector of the circle. So this is the required formula to find the area of the sector by one circle is given. So this is the center of the circle. I say this is the O, and I will take 2 points on the periphery of the circle. So I will say this point is A, and this point will be B. So A O B A. This portion I have to calculate. This portion I will say this is the area of a sector. So area of a sector of the circle, which is equal to theta divided by, this is the theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, now other information we have to also get, and this portion I will say this portion is the area of the major sector. Area of the major sector of the circle, I will write also that formula as area of the major sector. Area of the major sector of a circle, which is equal to, I will say this circle has area how much, that is pi r square. So I will subtract this area A O B A, means area of the minor sector. I will subtract here area of the minor sector. Area of the minor sector of a circle. So this is the required formula, and this formula we have to note easily for getting its concept. So if area of the sector we have to get, so we have to use this formula theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. But other concept I have to use area of major sector of a circle, which is equal to pi r square minus area of minor sector of a circle. Okay, students. So I will use this formula for getting the area of major sector and also area of minor sector. Okay, student. Now next topic I have to also explain how to calculate the area of the segment in this figure A X B A. This figure I will say area of the segment. So I will explain that third formula, area of sector will be equal to area of sector minus area of this triangle O A B O. So this area of the triangle I will subtract, and then I will find the area of segment. Okay, student. Now further I am going to erase these two information. Now you have to write these two information in on your notebook for further revision, because if you will know formula, so any question can be solved by you very easily. If you will not have concept of formula and yet you have no formula in your mind, so you cannot solve any question which are based on this topic. Okay, so you have to remember these two formula first of all. Okay, now I am going to erase this formula, and then after erasing, then I will write how to get the area segment. Okay, students. So further I am going to erase this. I will write next concept, how to find area of segment. How to find area of segment. So I will say area of segment is equal to, according to diagram, here I will write area segment. Area of segment is equal to, I will write area of sector. Area of sector. I will write area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle formed by card AB, by the card AB, and the radii, of the radii. So first of all, I will get area of the sector, and then I will subtract this area of the triangle, because these two lines are equal to each other, because this is also radius and this is also radius, and both have radius of the same circle, so both length will be equal. Okay, so I will say OABO, this is a isosceles triangle. I will use the concept isosceles triangle, and then I will find this area, and I will subtract from the sector of the area, and then we will get appropriate value, and that value will be ASBA, and that is known as area sector. Okay, students. So this concept I will use. To solve the written question which is available on the blackboard. Okay, students. I hope that you are knowing very well. So you like this live video, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends, and students, so that they also improve their knowledge on this topic. Simultaneously, you also subscribe this education channel for getting good knowledge on these topics. So first of all, you have to concentrate here, because such types of questions can be asked in the competitive exam. Because if you know this formula, so you have to give objective types, MCQ types solution very easily. Because first of all, you have to know this formula, so you have to put all data in this formula, and after substituting all data in this formula, after simplifying, you will get your result. So this will be very easy, and in each and every competition, and which some question can be asked on this topic. So this topic is very, very important. So you have to learn each and every topic in detail. Okay, students. Now here I have already written formula. How to get the area of sector, again how to get the area of segment, and how to get the area of minor segment, and also how to get the area major segment. So all formula, there are 4 formulas, and all 4 formula you have to remember it for getting its solution. and one formula is also available for the area, how to calculate the area of isosceles triangle. Okay, if this information you are knowing, so any questions which are asked in the competitive exam, so you can easily give the solution of those questions. Okay student, now further I am going to erase this concept, and then I will apply this concept in the written question for getting the requirement of the question. Okay student, so possibly I am going to erase it. If you have any doubt, so you write your comment, you write your information in the comment section, and possibly I will look, and after looking I will give the answer of your question or query in positively in detail. Okay student, so further I am going to erase this for giving the answer of another question. Now first of all, here we have to put solution. After writing solution, then I have to write all information in pictorial form. First of all, I will explain the written question, and then I will explain in my language, and then I will draw the pictorial diagram, and then I will give the appropriate solution. Now here a card of a circle of radius 15 centimeter, a circle which has radius 50 centimeter and subtended an angle of 60 degree at the center. Now find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle, where the value of pi is given here. We have to take its value 3.14 and also root 3, which is equal to 1.72. So this value I have to use. Now here I am drawing a circle. Here I am drawing a circle whose center is at O, but its radius is given in the question 50 centimeter. So here I will take two radius, its length 50 centimeter. I have to draw line here. The angle subtended at the center of the circle, that is 60 degree. Now one point I am taking on the circumference of the circle, that is A, and another point I am taking on the circumference of the circle, that point is B. Now further I will join point A and B. So I will say this is the chord of a circle. Okay. Further here student, you concentrate here for understanding. Now I will draw a line from the center of the circle to the chord. So that line will divide the chord AB in two equal parts. So that concept I am going to use here. Now here I will draw a line on AB line, and this line is the perpendicular on the line AB. So this intersection point I will say M. Now this angle will be 90 degree. This angle will be 90 degree, and at the center two radii makes a subtend angle 60 degree. So this is the angle bisector. So this angle will be 30 degree. Now this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. Okay, this angle will be 60 degree. So all informations are available here, because we have to get the area of this minor sector. We have to get this area of the minor sector. After calculating it, I will subtract this area from the area of the circle by r square minus this area. I will get the area of the major section. Major section will be I. I will say this is A X B, and this will be A Y B. So A Y B will be major sector of the major segment of the circle, and A X B, that will be the minor segment of a circle. Okay. Now further I have to get the length of OM. We have to get this value, and then I will also get the value AM, which is equal to MB, So I will get its value. What will be its value? I will get. Now I am going to consider right angle triangle AMO. Here I will write in right angled triangle in right angle triangle AMO. So I will give here sine 60 degree, which is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. If I will consider this angle, so along this angle I will say T perpendicular and hypotenuse will be OA. So I am going to write OM divided by AO. The length of OM I have to calculate this value. Now length of AO या OA is 15 centimeter, that is given in the question. Okay. Again I will substitute the value of sin 60 degree in the sin 60 degree is also written as √3 divided by 2, which is equal to OM divided by 15. Here I will do cross multiplication. After doing cross multiplication, we will get the value of OM. So value of OM is equal to, I will multiply here 15 √3 divided by 2 centimeter. This is the length OM. I have got its value. OM is equal to 15 √3 divided by 2. Okay, student. So this value I have to save for further use. So OM is equal to 15 √3 divided by 2. This will be in centimeter. So here I will write centimeter. Okay. Now further I will erase this information, and after erasing this information, I will write cos theta information, and that will be as I will follow same triangle in right angle triangle AMO. I will say cos 60 degree, which is equal to cos is also known as base divided by hypotenuse. Base is AM divided by hypotenuse AO. Now the value of AM I have to get. So here I will put it here AM divided by AO. AO is 15 centimeter. So here I will put 50 centimeter. Now cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So here I will put 1 by 2, and here is AM divided by 15 centimeter. Again I will do cross multiplication. So I will get its value AM which is equal to 15 divided by 2 centimeter. Okay. Now further I am going to also take one information, and that information you have to follow positively, because AM is equal to BM. So AB, so I can write here AB is equal to AM plus MB. AM plus MB. So its value I will substitute 15 divided by 2 plus 15 divided by 2. So I will say this is like fraction. So I will say 15 plus 15 divided by 2. 15 plus 15 divided by 2. So again I am going to erase this information. First we find the value information, that is AB which is equal to 15 plus 15 divided by 2. I will say 2 times 15 divided by 2. 2 will cancel out. So I will say 15 centimeter. AB is 15 centimeter. Okay. So length of AB I have calculated here. The length of AB is 15 centimeter. Okay. So this is also 15. This is also 15. This is also 15. So I will say this is the equilateral triangle. Okay. This is the equilateral triangle. I know how to calculate the area of the equilateral triangle. So I can calculate. Okay. Now further I am going to write another information for getting the area of the triangle. I will calculate the area of the triangle. So this information I will also say, means AB, the length of AB which is equal to 15 centimeter, and this value I have to also set for further use. Now again I will erase it, and after erasing I will calculate the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle AOABO. Area of the triangle AMOA, which is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Base into height. So here I write 1 by 2 base. Base is AB. The length of AB is 50 centimeter and height OM. The length of OM is given there. OM is given there 50 into root 3. 50 into root 3 divided by 2. Here I write divided by 2. Again I will say its value can be written as 15 whole square into root 3 divided by 4. This is the area of the triangle OABO. This is the area of the triangle. I am going to say this is the area A1. Okay. Further, I have to calculate the area of the sector, and then I will subtract area of the sector minus area of the triangle. That will be the area of the minor segment. So this is the required step to find the area of the minor segment. Okay, students. So further, I am going to erase this one, and after erasing this one, I will calculate the area minor segment. Area of minor segment, which is equal to, I have to write area of minor segment, which is equal to, I will write area of sector. Here I will write area of sector. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle formed by chord AB and its radii. Okay, so this value I will also set for further use. So this is the value, and that value I will write here. A1, which is equal to 15 square root 3 divided by 4 centimeter square. This is the area. Okay, further I will write. So area of the sector, that is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square minus area A1. So area A1 has value this much, that is 50 whole square into root 3 divided by 4. That has units in centimeter square, that is in serious system. Okay, now for the above information I have to erase for calculating purpose. So first here, the angle at the center of the circle, that is subtended 60 degree. So here I will put 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi, the value of r. The value of r is given here 50 centimeter. So I will put here 50 centimeter square minus area A1. The value here I will write 15 centimeter whole square into root 3 divided by 4. I have to write it. Now further I will simplify it. Now 16 minus 16 as 16 6 360. So here I will write pi 15 square divided by 6 minus, again here I will write 15 square into root 3 divided by 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. So here 15 whole square divided by 2. I will take common. So here will be pi divided by 3. Now here will be root 3 divided by 2. Further I will solve it because the value of pi I have to taken here pi which is equal to 3.14 centimeter, and also the value of root 3 I will consider 1.732, and then I will divide in first term with 3 and in second term with 2, and then I will subtract second term from first term. Then I will get some value, and that value I will multiply with this term, then we will get its answer. Okay student, now further I am going to delete error data for further calculation. So here I will say 15 into 15, that will be 225 divided by 2. Now here I will substitute the value of pi, which is equal to 3.14 divided by 3, and here I will put minus sign. Here the value of 3 is given here 1.732 divided by 2. Okay student, if you are getting any confusion, so you write your doubt, comment and issue in the comment section. Positively I will see your comment and then I will reply. And if you are understanding very well, so you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues and students, so that they can also improve, that is update and develop their knowledge on this topic. So simultaneously also you subscribe this educational channel more and more. So educational channel name is RANA SIR UP KUSHINAGAR. Okay student, now further I am going to resolve this question. That is I am going to simplify this question. That is 50 question. So here I will say I will divide 2 with 225. So 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, and 1 2 5 is 10. Again I will put here I will substitute divide it. 3 1 is 3, so I will put here 0. 3 2 is 3 4 is 12. Here will be 2. Here will be 3 6 is 18. And here I will write 0.8 to the 16 1. 8 into 6 is 12. Again 1 6 to the 12. I will put this one. Again I will subtract this value from this value. So I am going to subtract it from this separately. So here I will 6 8. I will subtract. So here will be 0. Here will be 8. 14 minus 6, that will be 8. Here will be 9. 9 minus 1, that will be 1. So here I will put point. Here will be 0. So I can write 112.5 in here. I will do 0.0.180. Further I will multiply, and after multiplying I will get value. That value will be the required value of the area of the minor segment. Okay students, if you are getting very well, so you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also update their knowledge on this topic. Okay, further I am going to multiply its value 112.5, and I will multiply with 0.118. So I will multiply it. So here I will say 8 5 are 40. So carry will be 4 and this value will be 0. 8 to the 16 of 420 is 0, carry 2. 8 1 the 1, 8 1 the 8 plus 2 10. 0 carry will be 1. 8 1 1, 8 1 8 plus 1 9. Again I will multiply 5 1 5, 2 1 2, 1 1 1, 1 1 1. Again I will add. So this will be 5, this will be 2, this will be 9 plus 1 10, and this will be 1 1 plus 2. Now here 1 2 3. I will give the point 3 place here. So here I will write 20.25 centimeter square. This is the area minus segment. This is the area of minus segment, and I am going to give its symbol A. This is the area of the minus segment. So now further I have to get the area of major segment. So area of major segment can be obtained by the formula by writing in this way. I will write as here this portion I will say area of the major segment. This is the area of the major segment, and I have to write it positively. This is the area of the major segment. Area of the major segment. This portion I will also consider this will be the area of the major segment. So area of the circle is known as pi r square, and I will subtract from pi r square minus area of the minor sector. That will be the area of major sector. Okay, student. So further I am going to write this is one answer of the question. This is one answer of the question. A is equal to 20.25 centimeter square. This is the area of the minor sector of a circle. Segment of a circle. Area of the minor segment of a circle. Okay. Now second question I have to solve to find the area of the major segment of a circle. Okay, student. So above data I am going to erase for calculating the second question which is asked in the numericals. So first of all I have to write here second information, that is area of the major segment. Area of the major segment of the given circle, which is equal to pi r square area of the minor sector. Area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment I have written here. So this value I have to say for the use. So this value I say here. So A, which is equal to 20.25 centimeter square, and this is the area minus segment of a circle. I have already written there. Okay. So this value I will substitute here. Now the value of pi is, we have to write 3.14 because the value of pi is given here 3.14. So here I will write 3.12. Now the length r is 50 centimeters. So here I will write 50 centimeter whole square minus area of minus segment. Area of minus segment is given here 20.25. Because this data I have obtained from the portion I have calculated before, area of the sector and then area of the triangle, and then I have subtracted from the area of the sector minus area of the triangle, and after subtracting I have got this value. Okay, and this value I will subtract from the area of the circle, then I will get a value, and that value will be area of the major segment. Okay, here I am going to write 3.14 into 15, that will be 15 square, that will be 225 minus 20.25. Okay. Now further I will multiply this one and this one, and then I will subtract from this term to this term, and then we will get. So I will multiply 3.14 divided by 2 to 5. Here I have to multiply it. In 4 5 here I will write 4 5 20. Here 5 5 1, 5 5 5 1 5, and plus 2 7. Here 5 5 3 15. Here I will write 2 4 8. Again here I will write 2 1 2, and then here I will write 2 3 6, and here I will write again 4 8 2 and 6. I will take its sum. It will be 0. 8 plus 7, that will be 15. 5. 8 plus 2 10. 10 5 15 plus 1 16 is 6. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 8 9. 9 plus 1 10. 0. Carry will be 1. 6 plus 1 7. Now here quite it able to add after 2 digit 1 2. So I will put here 2. So after calculation I have written here 706.50 minus 20.25. Okay, so this value I will subtract, and after subtracting I will get a value, and that value will be the answer of the major segment, area major segment. So here I will write 706.50 minus, here I will write 20.25. 20.25. Here I will substitute. So 706.50, and here I will write 20.25. I will substitute here. So 5 here will be 4. 4 minus 2, that will be 2. And here I will say 6, and here will be 10. 10 minus 2, that will be 8. And here will be 6. So after subtracting I have to write here 686.25 centimeter square, and this is the area of the minor segment. So this is the area of the minor segment, and I will say this is the area A2, and the area A2 represents the area in major segment. So I will say this is the another answer of the question. So this is second answer, and this is the first answer. Okay. So if you have concept clear, so any question can be given to you, so you can easily solve. Okay, student, if you are getting any confusion, so you ask your confusion in the comment section, and positively I will look your comment, and then I will reply positively the answer of your comment easily, positively and safely also. Okay, so thank you for watching this live video, and times a lot, you are doing very well. That is 30 minutes past to 7 p.m. to 30 minutes past to 8 p.m. Always I will forget on this time for teaching class 10 mathematics, which is based on in English medium, and that is also I will say that is NCERT pattern. And its boards will be CBSE board. Now these concepts are same which are available in UP board. Okay, so concepts are similar, only language will be different, so both students can read and understand these solutions of this question. Okay, students, if you have any doubts, so you write your doubt in comment section, and if you are understanding very well, so you like this live video, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. Okay, students, so again I am going to write times lot, and you follow this time. So possibly 30 minutes past to 30 minutes past to 7 p.m. up to 30 minutes past to 8 p.m. That is the time slot, and you follow this time slot for reading each and every concept in detail, because this is the free online coaching class and you take its advantage more and more. Okay, thank you for watching this live video. I will be on the same time next day, that is Sunday will be off only. I will start from the Monday. Okay student, so Jai Hind. Hi Siddiqui sir, good evening, how are you? If you are understanding very well, so you like this live video, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. That is, improve means update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Thank you for watching this live video.